This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a method that fits the numbers and your comfort: long multiplication for clarity, splitting for mental math, or lattice for neat partials. Once chosen, align the numbers by place value so units, tens, hundreds line up. Estimate the product using leading digits to confirm magnitude. A quick check prevents large errors. Now multiply the rightmost digit of the bottom number by each digit of the top, recording partial products and carrying as you go. Keep columns straight and organized. You continue by generating partial products. Multiply each digit of the multiplier by the entire multiplicand and write each resulting row shifted left according to place value. Use a scratch column to track carries as you produce each partial product so nothing is lost. This keeps the arithmetic tidy. For very large digits, split the multiplicand into 2 or 3-digit chunks and multiply sequentially. This reduces mistakes and explains why place shifting works. Each left shift multiplies by 10. Make sure to keep alignment consistent. You finish by adding the partial products column by column, bringing down carries as necessary until you reach the final sum. Once done, verify the result against your initial estimate or quickly divide the product by one factor to see if you recover the other. This confirms scale and plausibility. If numbers disagree, check alignment and any missed carries first. Re-add the problematic columns slowly. The key troubleshooting tip: realign digits and recompute carries one column at a time to find the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.